Hey Foxers, it's Meadow here. Anyway, we'll continue playing Animal Jam Playline. Let's get started. So I accidentally pressed the wheel. I got 500 gems. I got a plunger hat. Hey! 10 sapphires. Let's go. Well, I'll try Fox. Anyway, what? Oh. I want to decorate myself. Oh, I got this from someone. I don't know who. I forgot the user. But thank you for whoever gave me this. I'm gonna put this on. And there's hoodies. And I'll look a mighty gem. Go to my day. And I'm like, who? No, I'm sad to say. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna go back to my den. My den's amazing, isn't it? I'm gonna buy more stuff. Claws and paws. Flower print chair. Simple candle. I don't have much money, so I'm not gonna spend a lot. I mean, pizza mascot. Wait, I want that to be a fox, and also I'll buy it if I had a fox. Capybara snow pet? No. Dino nuggets? Guys, they actually have dino nuggets? Where's the one I want? Oh, yeah, no, I want the brown. That dino nuggets. I want dino nuggets. Dino nugget. Where's my dino nugget? What? Wait. I want it to be on the... There. Now let's go check out my dino nuggets. Oh, I'm sitting on my chair. I gotta sit. I'm sitting. I like standing. This is my other account, my iPad account. So yeah. You guys can start friending me if you want to. MeadowDB20. That's my username. This game is called Animal Jam Play Wild, where you can just go to the App Store and put Animal Jam, and then this will pop up. So yeah, either way you can spell Animal Jam Play Wild or Animal Jam. That's it. Let's go back to the main. Let's go to Crystal Sands. That sounds like a fun. Weird. Oh, it's not Crystal Sands. Doesn't look like it. Is this Crystal Sands? What is this? The Lost Temple of Zizos? Zozos? What is this? Well, I'll go back to my den. My den. Let me... This is it for this video, Foxers. I hope you like it. Sorry for the late upload. I had no ideas for like 2 days already. I'm sorry, but I upload this. Right? Bye, Foxers. Have a awesome day.